Transbotics, now a member of the Scott Group, has been a leader in automated guided vehicles since 1982, specializing in the design, development, installation, and support of automation solutions. Clients include Fortune 500 companies in a variety of industries, automotive and Tier 1 suppliers, primary metals, food and beverage, aerospace and defense, plastic, paper, and allied products. Transbotics provides material handling automation solutions, manufacturing both custom and standard products and vehicles. Types of AGVs include forklift, tugger, conveyor unit load, heavy load, and custom. Transbotics vehicles are uniquely designed to increase vehicle runtime, lower power requirements, and operator costs using lightweight frames, among other techniques. A team of expert mechanical, electrical, and applications engineers work closely together to produce high-quality vehicles that meet even the most challenging tasks. Contact Transbotics today for a consultation. Learn how automated solutions can transform your business. Call 704-362-1115 or visit transbotics.com.